Sean and Tammy Durham present 9 King Road, Beechboro. Sitting on an approximate 320 square metre block across the road from Beechboro Primary, this fully renovated 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom family home is waiting for its new owners to move in and add their personal touch. When entering, you're welcomed by a spacious open-plan lounge, dining, family and kitchen area. The kitchen has the benefit of gas cooking and features stone bench tops, including a large island breakfast bar, a double sink, microwave recess, loads of cupboards, a 1.1 metre recess for the fridge freezer and space for a dishwasher. The master bedroom is 4 metres by 3 metres with a 4-door built-in robe and phone point. Bedroom 2 is 4 by 2.5 metres with double-door built-in robe. And bedroom 3 is a 2.6 by 3 metre room with triple-door built-in robe. The bathroom has a double-sized shower, a large vanity with stone bench top and is beautifully tiled to the ceiling. The laundry has direct access to the clothesline area. Other features include wooden flooring to living areas and bedrooms, double block-out blinds to all windows, downlights throughout including the eaves surrounding the home, reticulation off the bore and so much more. For more information or viewing times, contact Sean on 0411 577 920 or Tammy on 0403 123 925.